Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bagi yang bisa on-cam, bisa on-cam ya. First of all, thank you to the Almighty because on this occasion we are still given the opportunity to conduct the lecture as usual. I respect the teacher, Anita Suri, and I respect my friends from Sri. Thank you for the opportunity to present on this occasion. I am Misalnya Putri and my friends from Sri present SGMW Indonesia as a member to the automotive industry in Indonesia. The first part will be by Fikri Kurniawan. To Fikri, welcome.
SGMW Profile. PT SGMW Motor Indonesia is located in Greenland International Industrial Center, GIIC, Block B, A, number 1, Deltamas sekarang Bekasi, Jawa Barat, Indonesia, Jalan Tol Jakarta Cikampek, kilometer 37. PT SGMW was established in November 2002. SGMW is a joint venture between SAIC Motor, General Motor, and Liuzhou Wuling Motors Co. Ltd. Headquartered in the Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region in southwest China. Then SGMW expanded overseas to establish a new factory outside of China. And after years of study in August 2020, a groundbreaking ceremony was held for the SGMW branch in Indonesia under the name PT SGMW Motor Indonesia. How Wuling can survive and develop as a newcomer in the automotive industry. Affordable price with high quality. Wuling offers lower price than other competitors that have long developed in Indonesia, but still with quality that is no less sophisticated. Wuling is one of the popular brand in China. Total sales in 1 year alone, namely 2017, reached 2.1 million units. Production components are obtained at low price, cannot be separated from the influence of Wuling's economics of scale in its home country, where Wuling China takes the components mentioned above from the producer in very large quantities, which makes price can be further surprised. Wuling release products with unique and quirky features. What kind of product from SGMW Wuling Motors in Indonesia? One Conferro S20 and 2021. LMPV Wuling. The advance and disadvantage of LEDs 2021 Wuling confer as are interesting to review following a refresh that focus on the exterior, interior, and the addiction of the LED features. The Chips family car in the Wuling line up now has a more modern look, embedding LED DRL, DRL on the front bumper is considered successful in adding to the modern impression. Our subjective, although the design is not good but still okay for the size of LMPV. On Cider, the following reviews of the advanced and disadvantage of the LED ruling Convero S 2021. The advance of Wuling Convero S. Number one is new design. Wuling gives a different touch to the grille and front bumper. The main lights still look ancient because they use halogen. Thanks to the LED DRL, at least it can boost the appearance of the slots convert a little. The main lamp design is also slightly changed compared to the previous generation. On the inside in this lamp is given black accent. I don't know what the purpose is, but in our opinion, this is a rather strange feature. At the bottom of the bumper is given silver accents, and there are fog lamp and the right and left inside of the bumper. Unfortunately, this fog lamp still use a regular halogen bulb instead of an LED. Number two is added features. Cooling seems to want to get rid of the impression of the Convero as a cheap car. This can be seen from their seriousness and in adding features. For the size of the LMPV, the features in the new Convero S as quite luxurious because now this 7 passenger car feature in a tire pressure monitoring system TPMS. This feature is usually found in high-end cars with a price of more than 30 million. But now it's in Wuling now Conqueror S, then there is also a touch screen head unit measuring 8 inch and a reverse camera. The addition of this feature makes the LED Conqueror get a reduction after being subject to to 0% PPNBM incentive from the government. Another feature is the seatbelt indicators on the two front passengers couch. Passengers who have not worn their seatbelts will be reminded by a flashing indicator.
Okay, the next, Mas Bobby. Bobby present.
Kedengaran?
Bobby Dinar present.
Halo. Halo. Lanjut.
Iya, Mas.
The dis-
Lanjut aja.
The disadvantage of wooling new Conferoes material not good. The weakness of the wooling Conferoes, which is still leaks the old model, is the material that is not good in the interior. It is quite obvious that the material feels cheap. The dashboard, steering wheel, door trim, sun visor to the steering wheel to cheap plastic. Perhaps the use of this material to keep the selling price as low as possible. Vibrating machine. In addition to the material, the engine when turned on also is a rather annoying vibration at the location added to start the machine. When they start, the engine feels a bit vibrating and less smooth. The future are considered the most okay and complete, but it is still difficult to attract the head of people who have high expectation of an LMVV. So, Wuling Cortez. The advantage of Wuling Cortez. Big body, the dimension of this car are big. 4,780 millimeter long, 1,080 1,860 millimeter wide, and 1,155 millimeter height. Then the wheelbase of 2,750 millimeter. Just for information, the latch tip of Cortez, there are some changes to the grill. Cortez City offer with strip with red wooling logo in the middle. Cortez City 2020 has not changed on the set body to the chrome action on the glass. Abundant features. Cortez, especially the L diversity, can be called the most feature-rich MPV. In the first rank of IDR, 282 million, he is indeed the one with the most feature among its competitors. Starting from the LED headlight, captain seat, electric seat setting, sunroof, electric parking brake, FEB, then also various active safety features, the independent suspension. In addition, there is a seatbelt warm feature. So when the passenger not wearing a seatbelt, there will be an indicator in the meter panel by displaying a red seat. In addition, the Cortez is also equipped with a the warming feature, namely which serves to remind the driver to rest. Disadvantage of wheeling Cortez. Loss of electric. Some of the electrical features are obvious, but practical. For example, the electric parking brake. But when this feature breaks, people ask how to disable the brake or the plan B when on the road. Should the car be The car be left behind. Likewise, the cortex front seat controller in auto electric. There is also an additional sunroof in understanding. Yet, this is a fuel assessment. This is less performance just. Harman with uh, one 1.8-liter engine with a power of 129 horsepower. It took up 174 Nm. Using the intelligent mechanical transmission (IMT), it is indeed quite unique. So this car is because it can be automatic as well as manual. Now the driver must understand the character of the engine. You can just gas. For example, when driving on the difficult even horizontal track, the driver mode this model will be comfortable to us. But when accelerating using this model, don't expect it to be responsive. So when the car is kicked down, it won't shot right away.
Okay, the next, Mas Hilmi. Mas Hilmi, present.
Three, Wuling Almes, advance tags of Wuling Alma. Blessing and then some sub decide the Wuling Alma sub yang mana? Yang ini, Mbak.
Ya.
Disadvantages of Wuling. Unsatisfactory build quality. Inevitably, you feel that the exterior quality of Wuling seems less than perfect. This can be seen in the rear bumper component and the trim list. The installation is not net, thus showing is consistent distance. Apart from that, the shortcomings of this Wuling Almas car only be observed if we look at its exterior carefully. In a sense, if observed at a glance, this deficiency does not stand out on the exterior. The engine is claimed to be less powerful. Complaints are also found when talking about the engine. The Wuling Almas car which stand as unsolved is in fact only equipped with a 1419 cc engine. In the turbocharger configuration is very helpful. But if we want to combine it with other shafts, cooling almost powerful less powerful. For example, the Honda HR-V use 1800 cc engine with 137 horsepower. On the other hand, the Nissan X-Trail has also implemented a 2500 cc engine with 169 HP. Is different with the Almas car, where the engine only has 1500 cc, producing 110 HP of power. Next, Pak.
Okay. Conclusion
Conclusion and suggestion.
Oke, lanjut aja.
Its expansion into Indonesia by entering the Wuling Law MPV segment is quite bold. The reason is that in this segment, Japanese brands have absolute control and are so ingrained in people's hearts with all the advantage and disadvantage regarding the quality of Wuling. It deserves thumb up. Wuling is one of the most popular automotive brand in China. Total sales in on your alone, namely 2017 reached 2.1 million units. Most of Wuling car components are produced from world famous brands as Aisin, Autoliv, Bosch, Continental, Goodyear, MAN, Humble, and Nextel. Besides that, the features of red are also expensive. However, with all its advantages, think is able to
Okay. Suggestion. Along with the development of time, the automotive industry has developed rapidly. Every manufacturer is always making improvement and using the latest innovation to stay afloat in the competition in the industry world as a consumer. You must be smart enough choosing the product you want to get, not only by looking at the latest innovation and just following the times, but more oriented to what is more needed than forcing the desire to follow a lifestyle. So much mention for us. Sorry for all the shortcomings. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.